Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my brother.
Please, sir, what is the difference between message and errand?
The difference very clear, I understand now. Yeah. Message is a minor errand, errand is a major message. Message is a small errand, errand is a big message. That's why we have text message, but we don't have text errand. Do you know that you work to deliver a message, but you run to deliver an errand? And the process of run is run. That is why it is called errand. Do you know that when you give somebody 2K to go and deposit in the bank, it is called message. But when you give somebody 2 million to go and deposit in the bank, it is called an errand. When you are sent to go and buy drugs for malaria, it is called message. But when you are sent to go and buy drugs for running stomach, it is called an errand. Because you need to run to go and buy drugs to stop the running stomach from running. But the mother of them all, the general overseer of them all is Swift Offshore Delivery. Swift Offshore Delivery, they go on errand and messages. With Swift Offshore Delivery, you don't need to leave your house, you don't need to leave your office to get what you want. Do you know that if Swift Offshore Delivery was to be in China, there would have been this issue of coronavirus? Because they have to deliver to you whatever you want, every day, every time, except you want sex.
Oh my God.
Do you know that Swift Offshore can help you protect your marriage? Because, honey, let me go and buy fuel. Honey, let me go and get papas. Honey, let me go and get baby food. That is how they go out and get other babies outside marriage. With Swift Option, there is no hold up, there is no go slow. There was a day my wife sent me to go and buy papas for my 3-month-old baby. Before I came back, because of hold up, the baby was already in primary 2.
Hey!
They run errands, messages, pick up and delivery. Like their name, they are swift, fast and reliable. Swift Option does not live abroad. They live here in Edo State, Benin City. They are the of them all. They are the general overseer of them all. Thank you.
You've been the source of happiness and joy to me, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Will you marry me?
Oh my God! Wait, Jessica! Wait, are you serious?
I'm serious, baby.
Where this guy now? Baba, do quick, man, they go now.
You know, say I got fresh.
Which one the glasses where you wear again?
Guy, if you don't get money, hide your face.
I beg, do quick, man, they go, I beg. My baby, come.
Hello, babe.
Hello, Jessie.
Aww.
Jessie, baby, how are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm fine, no.
Are you at home?
I'm in the house, but me and Fred were about to step out very
No,
quickly.
you guys should hold on. I'm coming over.
I should,
It's very
I should hold
urgent.
on. What could be so urgent?
Just wait for me.
Babe,
It's urgent.
okay, no problem. I'll just tell Fred to give us some minutes.
Babe, wait.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, babe. Love you.
Love you.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, bye.
See you soon, baby.
Okay, see you
Alright,
soon.
bye. Fredo! Fredo!
I beg, no vex.
Baba, no even no hurry again,
I
sir.
got fresh like you.
Forget that one. How you said to Baba, no even no hurry again. My babe don't tell me say she dey come. So we just make her just see her quick. We'll go. She say she want to discuss something urgent with me.
Hey.
So,
Solo, your baby said she want to talk something urgent with you.
Fred, no.
For my life, you don't say you go first me born pikin. Solo, I go talk in a lie. Congratulations!
Fred, stop all that one, Jerry. She said nah, just normal yarning now. She said she dey come urgently. Say she won't follow me. Talk
You know, this girl use the word urgent. You mean say urgent pikin dey come. You are a father to me.
Baba, stop that one. I know they use that kind of thing joke. I beg. Now just she say she dey come urgently.
Pikin na better thing now, Solo.
At the right time, I beg.
At the right time. No, man just use perfume. I forget perfume. No, I want smell something. I won't make everybody go say the same day.
How beautiful you look. I missed you.
I missed you too, babe.
What's up now? Sexy.
Babe.
Hey, darling, what took you so long now?
Man, there was terrible traffic.
wow.
Solo.
Hi, Fred.
My in-law. How is the baby? How many pregnant?
Baba, forget all this thing. Don't mind him, Jerry. Don't mind him.
What is he talking about?
He actually thinks you're pregnant.
I'm not pregnant.
Don't mind him. I was telling him. Don't mind him. What's up, baby?
Babe. I have a surprise for you.
Wow. See, I tell you, idiots. They chook mouth. Put. What's...
Solomon, you've been the source of happiness and joy to me, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Will you marry me?
Hey, baby, am I dreaming?
You're not dreaming. Will you marry me?
Oh my God. Wait, Jessica.
Yes, baby.
Like, is this a dream?
It's a dream.
Oh my God. Baby, are you serious?
I'm serious, baby.
You spend the rest of your life with me.
Yes.
Babe.
What did happen? So, why are you punishing her? No, I will fight for you. Domestic violence. You don't treat a woman like this. So that is pregnant for you.
Oh, wait.
No.
He's not
What did they
punishing
do
me.
you
I'm
now?
trying to propose to my boy.
Don't mind him, Jerry.
Wait.
Oh my God.
Solo! You're proposing to Solo! Solo! I'm saying you never talk yes. You never talk yes. Let me see you. Solo might just see you. Solo make I see you, my guy. Solo, you will come back. You're a very bold lady. Solo, let me see you. Come. She won't propose.
What did they do you?
No worry.
Baba, which one be that one now? You see, say my baby. What's now?
So what you try to do?
I won't accept. She proposed now.
Woman, propose. Solo, you don't know your name. Why I become your friend? You say you be Solo, steadfast, observing life, independent. Because
Baba, forget that one, Jerry. Person will want marry me. They spoil that.
Solo.
What's in?
I want to ask you one question. Solo, she get car.
I get for future.
She get house.
For
Solo,
future.
she don't travel before.
I will travel.
So this guy get what she say. Fine girl. We know so you don't get anything. Won't come propose to you. Solo, she won't use your destiny. Solo, you know so I will pass you. I don't want to lose you. I take up again. Solo, I don't want to lose you.
Make I go tell her no.
her.
I tell her no.
You reason now. Which you supposed to tell person won't use you for juju? Which you go tell her?
No.
You go tell her no. Now you go dey look her eyeball to eyeball. Tell her say no. Tell her say you know they do. Tell her say if you will die if you lie.
Make I tell her say I no be interested.
I did your sama for Omo Yami. Who are below?
Okay, I go tell her.
Don't Solo you be. That's my guy. Solo the killer. Solo the defiant. Solo.
Hey, what's going on?
Baby, nothing, bro. I don't know. I'm not sure I can do it. I'm not sure I can do this. Like, I mean, I'm not. We are still young. I'm still early for my life.
Why? I thought we were in love.
We're in love, but I'm not ready to be tied down. Maybe in 5 years time or 10 years time or something. Or maybe 15 years. Let's still I still need to enjoy my life. I still be young man. I don't feel just stay tied down like that.
Wow.
So it's not like I really mean to hurt you, but I cannot really do this. I can't do it.
Anyways, I can't wait for 5 to 10 years. Definitely not even 15 years. And since you're not ready to settle down, then probably you're not even ready for the benefits that comes with it.
Baby, what benefits?
Oh, really? My dad actually gave us a check of 25 million naira, a car, and a key to 4-bedroom apartments. And since you're not ready, I'll probably keep it for a man that's actually working.
Baby, don't do like this now. You should have started with the gifts first and the benefits now.
Don't worry.
Baby.
No, babe, don't worry.
My dear, funny enough, I took him there to say yes.
I know.
I said tell her.
It was really nice knowing you, sir.
Baby, don't do like that
I
now.
know, I know.
Baby, it was early April Fool. Sit down. Baby, sit down. Sit down.
Thank you.
Baby, sit down. I was just early April Fool.
Yes. Have a good life.
You see for your life now? I was telling you here. Say yes to her. Say yes to her.
Hi, brother Shaggy.
I better move back. Carry this nonsense come on. I get you can't sell it. Any question of the day? Mama, Yami, hit me.
Okay, brother Shaggy. How many planets do we have in the galaxy?
Okay, planet in the galaxy. Planet in the galaxy. I fear you before. Oh, yeah. Yes, planet in the galaxy. Why they say planet in the galaxy? You know what I mean? It's a Hajetafa phrase. Oh yeah, well it can be two. It can be two meaning. People don't know it. It's only one that people know. What's a planet in the galaxy? You see, Galaxy Hester or Galaxy Load 5.
Brother Shaggy.
Yeah.
I meant planets in the galaxy.
So what do I meant? No, it's not the same thing you are talking about. What do I meant?
Okay, brother Shaggy, let's forget about the question. Okay. Now, what planet are we on?
Okay, the planet we're on.
Yes.
What's it called? Homo sapiens. It's shock you. you know, you know those I go get out. It's Homo sapiens. All these things like this, we are free this inside book. Oh yeah, but we're not like one Jojumo. You understand? Somebody that they born with a scholarship brain is a scholarship brain forever. You cannot die.
Okay, but Shaggy, please, can you mention like 2 planets in the galaxy?
All right, good. I'll give you 4.
Okay.
Oh yeah, because all these things we know it. When they say planet, what's a planet? A planet is a what? It's a liquid matter of the atmosphere that surround a atmospheric condition in what? In a galaxy. From a galaxy to what? To the world. What's another word for word? It's a head. It shock you. You understand? So go listen. What they now say? What's a characteristic of a planet? What's a characteristic of a planet? Do you know it? You don't know it. Very good. Now let me bust your bubble. What's the spelling of planet?
P-L-A-N-E-T.
Very good. Now see, planet is the first place that they drive aeroplane. Now spell plane.
P-L-A-N-E.
All right, very good. Now the difference between a planet and a plane, what's the difference? It's not the last T. Very good. Now let me bust your bubble. That T, do you know the meaning?
No, sir.
Tentanum.
What's that?
It's another planet. It's beside it. Yeah, it shock you. I see the way you are looking at me. You know what God will do your own. You are like, how will somebody be a scholarship like this? How is somebody IQ high? It's God. Oh yeah, it's God. We give God the glory because He's the head. Because when you both say what? A scholarship one from Shaggy is a shock absorber. It will shock you. Hello. Oh yeah, you have for. Thank you.
Commander! Sir, reporting duty. GMT 101 Meridian time. Sir. Yes, sir.
There is a recent communication from Force Headquarters.
Okay.
Commander Flash, aka Usain Bolt, code 969,
yes, sir,
is your new supervisor. I will come once in a while to check on you.
Okay.
Please give him all the cooperation he deserves.
I hope say they never send you going around.
No, not at all, not at all.
Oh, okay.
I'm going on a special
no
mission.
problem, no problem.
Commander Flash, come in.
Sorry, Oga. Now you be the Flash, aka Osembot Mensis now.
You're right.
What will be my supervisor?
Correct. I'm your superior officer.
Superior officer.
And you know that security now in this neighborhood is not just about carrying gun and jumping everything. It is now intelligence. First, I have a problem with the way you stand. I have a problem with your standing. Give me an attention. No? You're failed.
Okay, that's how we do Russia Bombardier Military Cantonment 202.
In the same Russia that I schooled in 1941, that is not attention. Now watch me carefully. When they say attention, you put your hands like this. And attention!
Okay, what?
That is it.
No.
That is at ease.
Okay, there's nothing.
I'm doing attention.
There's nothing attention about this. There's attention, your own attention. I'm on the side and they do attention. At ease, attention. They want what they do. They do command the decimal question.
You want to now teach me my job?
No,
you want to
teach my supervisor. I can't.
Superior officer. Superior.
Maybe my superior supervisor. You know, free there. Sorry,
superior officer.
Superior officer can go.
And you must accord me the respect.
I will give you a.
If you not give me that respect, you have a problem with me. I'm serious.
No problem.
I'm serious.
You can walk inside. Go arrest.
Where's my office?
You on the left.
Oh my God.
Mama, who give you this one? Flesh and with some bread.